What do you find to be more challenging? The asset management and property management and reporting side of business, or the marketing capital raising side of things?
It's a good
And
question.
try to avoid recency bias.
Yeah, yeah, fair. I think interesting question. I think the the way I view marketing and investor relations is it's like digging for gold. And so I think it's in a way it's a little bit tougher of a nut to crack and it is more speculative. Like you don't know exactly what's going to work. Like with asset management, you kind of just need to follow a process and you need to collect rent, maximize income, minimize expenses. You need to stick to a budget. You need to make sure you're hiring the right people. Like it's very process driven. And I think you can also boil down marketing to a process. But with investor relations, you're dealing with people, you're dealing with a long term relationship that you're building with your investors. And I couldn't have predicted or exactly built out a process that said, okay, I'm going to write this book, and then this book's going to sell this many copies, and then this book's going to lead to this. And because with people and networking and relationships, one thing leads to another that you could just never foresee. You attend one event, and that at that event you meet this person who you never thought you'd meet, and then that person ends up introducing you to this person. You end up doing a deal here, and before you know it, like you're on a private jet. you know, so investor relations and networking is just nonlinear in that regard. So I think it's a bit tougher, and
It can
it's
be
it's
dumb
kind of
luck too, right?
yeah, it's luck, but it's a bit 0 to 1. Like it's kind of really hard to get going, but once you get it going, then it kind of starts going for you. So I think that there's more magic involved with marketing and investor relations. You kind of need to catch that magic, but with asset management, it's just very like a grind.